Mondays are really interesting because it really shows us if we feel enthusiastic about the week or not. And if you're not feeling enthusiastic about the week and experiencing low energy, brain fog, poor digestion, and irritable mood swings, probably you might have some issues with your thyroid. Issues with the thyroid are on a rise, and on my today's Monday Health Booster, I will be talking about what are the common three mistakes which people with thyroid problem do and how to rectify. I'm Dr. Shivani Sood, and you're hearing me from the Shivani Ayurveda Academy. And this booster is for educational purpose only and should not be used for self-treatment or diagnosis. So, once you're diagnosed of thyroid problem, and I should tell you that as a clinical expert with this issue, that many times we are not even aware that we have a thyroid problem because we go and check it in the blood and it doesn't show in the blood. And according to my clinical experience, the symptoms of thyroid imbalance show a lot more before, in your body than it shows in your blood. So it's always nice to have a look at this, especially if you're feeling the symptoms which I told in the first part of the video. And once you have a diagnosis with thyroid problem, obviously we in Ayurveda treat it with Ayurvedic medicine, herbs, panchakarma, and work on improving the thyroid function. Is it possible? Obviously, yes, it's possible because we are working on making your metabolism higher and removing the inner blockages from the body. But what are the three mistakes what you should not be doing if you have thyroid issue? Number one, starting your day with caffeine. You should stop any kind of coffee or tea if you're having this first thing in the morning, because that's really not good for the thyroid function. What is a good replacement of this tea or coffee is ginger. So a little bit warm water and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. This is very good to accelerate your metabolism and also, open up your channels which are clogged when you have low thyroid issues. The second common mistake what you might be doing might be not going for a morning walk when you wake up. So most of the time when we wake up, we have so much to do in the morning, and that's why we think morning walk is something like we have to go for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes. But just an everyday walk of 20 minutes, power walk of 20 minutes is really good to improve your thyroid function. So if you're not going for a morning walk because there's snow outside and if it's too cold, you might want to just walk randomly inside your house with a pace, just to accelerate your metabolism. The third thing, what you might do, and this is the specialty of the clinic, what we have here is seeing the deeper reasons of thyroid problem. So by seeing a lot of thyroid problem in my consulting practice and talking to them, and I equally look at the psychological part of the person and create kind of like data on what kind of people are mostly having thyroid issues. And I find this, that most of the thyroid clients have two main issues. The first issue is of control. They try to control everything and everybody around them, and are, for example, that you see somebody is doing a mistake, you just want to stop him, and you just go beyond because you think like what's right for the people. So your energy is very scattered, and this is something what you need to work on if you want to make your thyroid problem better, is about seeing what is your problem and what is really not your problem. And the second thing what you might want to see if you have thyroid problem is, are you able to express yourself clearly to other people? Are they able to understand what you're trying to say to them? Because normally if you have a lot of if you feel like in a group of people you cannot express yourself properly, if you're not able to speak out what you would like to speak out, then energetically this area is getting very blocked, so expression, communication, and leaving the control, not trying to be stopping everybody from making their mistake, trusting people. This helps you to improve your thyroid psychologically, and it's such a big game changer. So thank you for watching this small piece of information from me today. And if you are sick, then please remember in Ayurveda we are seeing sickness as signs of things we need to correct inside our body, and that's when herbal advice, panchakarma, all of this works very good. And this is the exact aim of the Shivani Ayurveda, that we give information in a concrete form so that you don't have to join the dots together. Okay, bye bye and have a nice week. Thank you.